Hi everyone, today in this video we'll look at Network Load Balancer in AWS. So how Network Load Balancer works in AWS. Suppose we have two web servers like instance 1 and instance 2, and we have to create a target group and add those web servers into the target group. So this target group makes this web servers into a one group where we create a network load balancer, and the requests which come to network load balancer will redirect it to the instances based on the load and availability of the instances. So let's go and see how this can be configured in AWS. Open AWS console, go to instances and launch an instances. Make sure you launch two instances. At least. So launching instances steps are common from our previous videos. So I'm launching my first instance in subnet 1, and I'm gonna launch my second instance now. So this instance I'm launching in subnet 2. As we can see, instances got launched. Now go to instances, throughput T. I'm installing Nginx on the servers now. Enable Nginx and start Nginx here. Opening index.html page. Sorry, I gave a wrong. Instead of USR I gave user. Removing. Okay, now I'm changing the welcome Nginx to Techie Empower homepage. Now launch the second instance. Logging in. I'll also do the same in the second instance. In this HTML page, I'm changing it to admin contact. Save it. Now test with the public IPs whether we are able to get the page. So we are good. Now let's go and create a target group. Create a target group, select instances, select VPC. Here change it to TCP from HTTP. Click next. Here you will be having your instances displayed, so add those instances to the target group. Our target group is created. Now go to load balancer and create a load balancer. You have to select network load balancer here, create. I'm giving name as NLB. It is an internet facing because we need to access through outside. If you're in real time, it will be like internal sometimes. So select the subnets under this VPC. Now you need to give your target group here. Create a load balancer. Now your load balancer is created. Click on your load balancer. Copy the DNS name of your load balancer and try to access it from the browser. As you can see, you are able to access it with the DNS name, and we have also shut down. Now we'll see application load balancer. So application load balancer mainly used for web application, works on 80 and 443 ports. So this application load balancer supports path based route, and we have two target groups here, target group 1 and target group 2. I'm taking one server in a target group, but in general case we have a more servers, depends on the load, like it's always more than one, like, but here I'm showing it with one server where it is. You can also do it with the two servers. So I have a target group 1 and target group 2, where my target group 1 web server have the home page, and my target group 2 web server will be holding this tutorials page. Configuring an ALB, application load balancer, where my default request will go to the target group 1 servers, as this supports a path based routing web server which is holding this tutorials pages. We'll see how this can be implemented in AWS. So I'm deleting my old network load balancer. Let's configure the application load balancer here. Now I'll go to instances. I'll create an instance. The one instance, the server 1 is my home page. I left it like that, and I'm creating another instance. As you can see, I have created a tutorials directory after this nginx directory, and I have moved this index.html file icons to that directory, and I have changed this to welcome to tutorials page here, that HTML page. Now I'll go to target groups. I'll create a target group, instances, target group home page, my first target group, VPC, so I'm adding server 1 because my server 1 holds the home pages. So my home page target group is created. Now I'll create another target group for the tutorials page. My both target groups are created. as you can see it here. Now go to load balancer, click on create load balancer and select application load balancer here. Click on create. So I'm giving ALB as my application load balancer name, as I'm accessing from internet, so I'm giving as internet facing. Select your VPC, map the subnets here. You need to map both the subnets. Select the security group. Remove the default security group and select the one which we created. And here we're creating a target group. Add your home page target group. Now create. After creation, I'll show you how to do this path-based routing. My load balancer is created. Click on load balancer. Scroll down. Go to Actions tab and Manage Rules. So here, click on this plus symbol and insert rule. Add a condition. Path-based routing. So we selected path /tutorials/ this will redirect to my instance 2, like server 2, where I have created tutorials directory, right? It will be redirected to that. So it should be the same name where we have created the directory. And click on forward to, select tutorials here, target group, and click on save. So I have added here. So path-based routing is configured. Now copy this DNS name, open a new browser, as you can see it is redirected to my home page. Now I'll give /tutorials/ as we change the path, it redirects to tutorials page. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you like this video. Please subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you.